Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 1 over 7 to the exponent of 1 over 7, we write this into the lowest form or simplified form. Okay, so here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we write this exponential form into the radical form. So here we know that if you have, here we apply this radical law. The nth root of a is written as in exponential form is 1 over n. Okay, so according to this radical law, we write this expression as into the radical form in this way. This is seventh root of 1 over 7. Okay, so further here we need another radical law. You know that if you have a over b and its nth root, so we can apply this nth root separately on both of these terms. Okay, so according to this radical law, we can break the seventh root on both of these terms, and after breaking this seventh root, we write it as seventh root of 1 divided by seventh root of 7. Okay, so here we know that the nth root of 1 equals to 1. So according to this, seventh root of 1 is also equals to 1. So we write this expression as 1 divided by seventh root of 7. Okay, so further you see here we have here we use another radical law. You know that if we have a to the power of n, if we have 1 over nth root of a, we write this expression as 1 over nth root of a, and it is multiplied by a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root, and it is divided by, sorry, this is nth root, and it is divided by a to the power of n minus 1 into nth root. Okay, so here we need this radical law. So according to this radical law, we can write this algebraic expression as in this form. So it will be written as 1 over seventh root of 7, and it is multiplied by 7 to the power of 7 minus 1 and its seventh root, because here we have the value of n is 7, so we can replace n equals to 7 and a equals to also 7 in this nice radical formula. Okay, so and also it is divided by 7 to the power of 7 minus 1 and its seventh root. Okay, so after this step here, we need some simplifications, and we write it as, this will become 7 to the power of 7 minus 1 equals to 7 to the power of 6 and its seventh root, and it is divided by, this is a seventh root of 7, and it is multiplied by, this is seventh root of 7 to the power of 6. Okay, so further we need more simplifications, and now here you see in the denominator term, and in the denominator term we have seventh root of 7 to the power of 6. So here you see that the seventh root on both of these terms are same, so that we can apply here this radical law. If we have nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b, so we write it as into the combination form nth root of a multiplied by b. So we can just combine these two values in this way. Okay, so here we need to combine the seventh root on these terms, and it will be written as seventh root of 7 multiplied by 7 to the power of 6. Okay, so further you see here we have 7 to the power of 6 and its seventh root divided by Here we have a seventh root of 7 to the power of. Here you see that bases on these two terms are same, so we add its exponent. So the exponent this 7 is 1, and you get here 1 plus 6, and it is equals to 7 to the power of 6, and its seventh root divided by 7 to the power of 7, and its seventh root. And now after this step, here we can apply another radical law. You know that if we have a to the power of n and its nth root, so it is equals to a, because this n and nth root are cancelled by each other. So here we can use this radical law in the denominator term. So the 7 and the 7 are cancelled by each other, and we will obtain here 7 to the power of 6 and its seventh root divided by 7. Okay, so here we need some more simplification in the denominator term. In the numerator term, so in the numerator term we have 7 to the power of 6. So the meaning of 7 to the power of 6 is that we can multiply 7 by 6 times in this way. Okay, we will multiply this 7 by 6 times. Okay, so in order to multiply 7 by 6 times, then we will just write here in this form. So if you multiply 7 by 3 times, then we will find 343. It is multiplied by 343. So it means that you will obtain here 343 and its whole square. Okay, so now in order to find the more simplified answer, here we need to multiply 343 with 343, or in other words, we will take the square of 343. So here in just a traditional method of multiplication, you can easily multiply 343 by 343, or you can easily get the square of 343. And here I can just write the direct answer after multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, so you will get here 117,649. It means that the value of 7 to the power of 6 is equals to 117,649. Okay, so now we will just replace this value here, and we write it as to the simplified form. It is written as seventh root of 117,649. It is divided by this 7. So this is our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.